Hi, this is Ray Madrid once again with the last video. This is Video Check In 4.1 for the Behance U application, which I've been working on for the past couple of weeks. So let me show you what I got so far. Open up my Firefox. So you can see this is my homepage right now. Completely redesigned. Everything got a main call to action, get a screenshot of the portfolio listing on an iPhone, and some basic dummy text, and a CTA to sign up for a mailing list. So first off, I gotta say that my API connection, I got it working. I got it to pull the JSON file, but it's still giving me an error. If I click on this is the full JSON file pulling directly to from the Behance API. This is my profile, but for whatever reason I'm getting this syntax error. I've been looking online, Stack Overflow, and it's still nothing. Anyways, it's really getting frustrating because I need this thing to work, but again, you know, got my views working like always, and I also did a profile. Like, if somebody, let's say somebody signed in, this is where the profile is they're gonna be able to edit their profile. This image here, I want to pull it from the Gravatar API. So if I put in my name, everything's getting updated, as you can see here. Let's see, Las Vegas. You know, see, all this is working. So click here, is supposed to save it, but yeah, my main thing is getting this thing here to work. And I also did this portfolio list creator, which basically what it is it's a factory. I just made this just to test out how I'm gonna make it work so I can link up my project listing. So these for users here and their information, I basically did an object with these with this information inside of them, and I can filter these. You know, it works. You know, and of course these are actual links. They're all working. This guy does photography. I mean, everything's working here. The point is that if I want to, let's see, if I want to add a new user, sample user, and then a Behance.net URL. I'm just gonna put my own because right now I don't have any other one. But if I add that user, it'll go last, so I can even filter it. Simple user sample. There it is. If I click on it, you know, it's generating my stuff. So yeah, this is coming directly from a factory I made. Let's see, open up WebStorm. Alright, now we're in WebStorm. Make this bigger. And let's see, my controller. So what I did was I made a factory for that sample users, and I made a users array with 4 different objects, and they have their own properties here. and then that factory object, I gave it a function, get users, and then it returns it to the factory. So inside my controller, my users controller, I'm pulling the get users function from the users factory, and then that's how I'm able to do the make functionality from the users factory here on my view. Of course, the data ng controller, users controller, and the point is this, is that I gotta make this work with the information that's coming from my Behance profiles. So I made a factory for the Behance services, and this is where I'm doing the callback function to the Behance URL using the API key, and I'm using the JSON-P method here. So because I had an error with the security of the browser, and it was giving me a network error, so I used the JSON-P method. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got going on so far. What I did. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, thank you.